So let's get our clip back open in the viewer. Drag another copy of the clip. Actually, let me show you a little trick. Let's turn the audio off. Just come down here and separate these two tabs. That way we're only going to drag the video and not the audio. And let's get back to our view here. So let's drag this in here and put a copy of the video only on the third layer. Now when you bring the timeline scrubber back, you're going to see the same thing. Now we just have the full video behind the mask. So we're going to go back to our effects. We're going to grab the mask shape, drop it on the clip. Let's double select it too and get it over here. Again, we'll go to the filters tab and select oval. And then we're going to take our center tool, and it's hard to see in this, but we're going to actually center it in the eye. And then just like we did before, we'll go ahead and change the scale. For the vertical and horizontal shape of the oval. Then actually you can, for now, just turn the opacity of the mask down to, and turn it right back up. That way you can see more of what you're doing. And then we want to change the scale a little bit more. I don't like where that's centered, so let's move it over just a little bit more. Add our mask feather. Soften up the edges. And move the entire layer, entire video clip to be the eye of the orange. Now the next step is really easy, because if you watch the Annoying Orange, you will notice that they use the same eye on both eye sockets. So all we have to do is make a copy of the eye. So before we do that, I think I'm going to change the scale a little bit. Let's go ahead and get the eye open and make it a little bit bigger. Yeah, there we go, like that. And then we're going to hold down the Alt key, grab our video clip, and drag it up to the next layer. Then, keeping the mouse button selected, let go of the Alt key, and then release the video clip. Now, a copy of the clip has been made on the fourth layer. So all you have to do is take that copy and move it over to the other eye. And now, if you scrub through here, you've got a talking orange. Let's change the opacity of our original video clip back up to 100%. And as you can see, this is perfect. Now, here's some things that you can do to make this work a little better. You can paint your mouth, paint around the mouth and your eyes orange so you can have the same color and texture. You can use one of the image control tools to tint or change the color of your eyes and mouth. There's a lot of things you can do to blend things better, but this video was about showing you how to get the eyes and the mouth behind a mask and get it in place and get a talking orange working. And hopefully I've successfully done that. I told you this is a long lesson and it was kind of difficult to get through. There's a lot of information. I'll be glad to answer any questions. I hope that this has been helpful.